Keep working. Now, no?
Yes. Play with me, Mommy.
Yes. That one is right there. Hmm? You need to do it gently and slowly so they can fit together. Yeah. Okay, now we need to find that stalk right there. Is it so?
Oh, I think it's flipping over. This one, it's just like that.
Mm-hmm. No?
Now,
We need to find the mouth or the plate. Plate of the...
look.
Yeah, it has mouth.
And what? Where's the hand?
But we need to find the plate first. Okay? Where's the plate? Where is it? Yeah. That one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What is that?
Yeah.
What's that?
This one is an airplane. Oh, oh, it's stick on my arm. Yeah. Oh,
No.
oh, I switched.
Put them together first. What's that?
It's an airplane.
The airplane? In the
In the
corn?
in the corner.
Yeah.
In the corner. Oh, stick to me. Oh,
Is the
it's the plate.
plate of the
Oh, it's stick together.
Mhm.
Of the bulldozer.
Mhm.
And we need to find this corner first.
Mhm.
It's a very big corner now.
Mhm.
This one is very big. Again, it's a very big. And oh, I think
The
the
cup of
this car, this red car,
the silly.
this silly car.
Oh, so silly. Why? Why is it silly?
Because it's a pink.
It has hands.
Okay, to find this another corner. Another corner.
By using the
The
what's that? What's that in your hands? What's that? Is that?
the mirror.
Yeah. Now, you need to look for the eyes of the.
Oh,
Mhm. But we only have one eye. We
oh,
need one more eye.
oh. This one.
No. Yes or no?
Oh,
No. Yes.
and we,
Right there.
and we need to find the mouth.
Yeah. Which puzzle has the mouth on it? Is that one?
Okay, now we need a siren
And
and the mirror.
is that the mirror?
Yeah.
Maybe those are lights. No, mirrors. Or lights. Oh, I don't know. What do you think? They are?
Mirror.
Okay, they're mirrors. Which puzzle has the mirrors on it?
And the siren.
And the siren?
Oh!
That one, yeah, you found it.
This is another one.
Mm.
We're finding things. What is this? It looks like,
Smoke
yeah,
from the
from the stack.
smoke from the stack. The bulldozer pops some smoke out of the stock.
And the stack over there, next to the car, front of the rear tiger.
Mm-hmm.
So at the end too. And we need to find what's this?
Maybe the cap, the head of the
Bus.
the bus.
And what's the eye of the fire truck?
Yes. But we need to find the puzzle with the rocks on it. To put it here. You find it.
I cannot see. Oh!
Now you can see. Oh, not like that. Yes. Leave it up.
Yeah, two rocks. It's push the rock.
Yeah. The
See?
bulldozer it is.
It is pushing the rock because the rock have stuck the road. You see this road?
Yeah, because the rocks lie.
On the road. But where this rock from?
Maybe some trucks. Maybe the trucks drop them there.
But who dropped them?
Maybe a truck, a dump truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But where's the truck?
It's gone.
Because
Maybe it is transporting the rocks to the building site.
no.
So what do you think?
I think the dump truck is scared of the bulldozer.
It's scared of the bulldozer, so it dropped some.
Rocks, and it's scared of the bulldozer, and it had to run away.
It has to run away.
Oh,
Okay.
what is this?
What do you think? The nose, the head of the.
At the car.
That is the
hand.
No, that is the
Sill.
silly.
Silly car
Yeah, which has.
has hand.
Yeah, which has hands.
You're wearing this. See?
Now you need. Hey, put them back. Now we need to find the puzzle which has a rock. This rock on it.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Which one has the ball?
This one. I put it over. What's this up?
Cloud.
Oh. Still. Find up this walk.
Maybe you flip some of those. How about this one? The thing it is here. Yeah. Right?
Oh. Pink.
No, not like that. You need to put the.
The green tiger.
Mm-hmm.
The green tiger are the monster truck.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Up the.
Up the monster truck. Look.
Mm-hmm.
This is the-
Yeah.
Let's put this.
But this is only a part of the rock. We need to find another part.
Let's see. made
No.
of fiber.
You need to flip them over to see where are they. That one?
It's up this.
Up
This-
on top of the.
Of the car. This one must be there.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Yeah. Now we find another one.
What? Maybe this? This one.
Mm-hmm.
You know this one?
Where do you think it will be?
Oh,
Oh, you found it. The rock part. No, not like that. Rock must be with rock. Yeah. You see?
I find this.
Yeah.
Oh. And now we need to find a weird type of birds. How about... Oh, here. Is there a green tiger?
Yes. Yes or no? Do you think so?
Oh,
Yes, it is, right?
oh. Yeah, is.
It is?
Yeah. Oh, I think this one must be... Oh,
Not.
I think this one is right here.
Must be here.
But...
We need to find it.
Oh! It sticks on me.
Sticks on you.
Yes.
Now you found it. See, that is the
Part of the monster truck.
yeah, the part in monster truck.
Ow! Oh, I see this part.
Really?
Oh! Oh! It's go!
It goes
See?
around.
It's go around.
Yeah.
Oh! Not. Naughty. Naughty puzzle.
Naughty puzzle.
It always goes around.
It always goes around.
Yeah. Look. Wait, what's this road? Oh! What's this cup? Red pine.
These are.
Pot
This is
here.
the
Pot here.
yeah. This puzzle, which has the grass on it. Right? It has grass on it.
Oh! Flower.
Mm-hmm.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Some flowers.
Yeah.
And we need to... Which one? Oh, this one and this one? This one?
No, I think we better find the puzzle which has monster truck tire on it, right? What is it?
What is it?
That one? Yeah, you found it.
Now we need to find this part
Of the
of a monster truck. See, this
which
light.
has
Light.
yeah, which has lights.
And this one is a mirror.
Mhm.
The mirror. Oh, light. What's this?
I think we better find this. I think we better find the puzzle which has the part of the bulldozer's cap.
This one here. Okay. See? Nah, not this. Nah,
Not that one.
not this one. This one?
Is the part of the
The bus.
yeah, the bus.
I found this one. Now with the part is of an ambulance. That this part is of an ambulance.
Which one is the part of the ambulance?
Here. Oh,
Yeah.
this one. Oh. Oh.
But
Oh,
yeah, that is the
pot
of the
of the bulldozer.
yeah.
And this one? Yeah, it's all part of the ambulance. Okay, now we need to separate this fire truck.
We need to
Separate that fire truck.
we need to separate.
Yeah,
Now we need to put the fire truck puzzles together.
look. See?
You say we need to put the fire truck puzzles together.
We need to put the fire truck together. See? You see? You see? You see? A lot of the fire truck. See?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, I see.
A lot. See? A ladder. Okay, let's say with them. Oh, this. Yeah. Maybe.
Let's put them together. You don't say let's separate them. You say let's put them
Oh,
together.
this one
Yeah, what's that?
is that part is of the silly funny car.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time to separate this.
It's time to put them together.
Time to put them together.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. This one. This one over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's over here. And now we need to separate something.
We need to find. We need to put them together.
Oh, this one. You remember this one? That one is over there.
Yeah.
Two wind tiger. And this one we need to.
Happy.
Oh, we need. I need to. What do you say with me?
I want to tell you something. What you are doing is putting them together. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Not separate. Not separating them. Okay? You are putting them together like this. You see? You see? Putting them together. You see? Happy. And oh. No, not like that. Not. It is not. Yeah, that's right. You are putting them together, okay? Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
When you take them apart, Happy, when you take them apart, Happy, listen to me. When you take them apart, that is separating. And when you put them together like this, when you fit them together like this, it's called putting them together. You can say you are putting them together, okay?
We need to find another type of puzzle. Wait. Yeah.
That is the
That is the.
face.
And this one must be up there.
Must be up there.
Two sides.
Really?
Yeah. And then, of course, this. Oh, here. It's corner.
Yeah, we need the puzzle over here.
Yeah.
Really? No? Yes.
And we need these two puzzle. With that puzzle.
Is that one? No? No? Yeah. It must be.
A bus.
Yeah, it must be a bus.
Okay, we need to separate a bus.
No, we need to put the bus puzzle together.
We need to put the bus puzzle together.
Yeah, put them together, not separate them. Having separate them is when you make them apart, okay? Okay?
Yes.
It's not easy, right?
Yes. This one
Must be.
over here.
Yeah.
And now ready. Ready. This one. Over here. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. And must be this one is over here.
Really?
Oh, this one. Okay. Now, this one must be over here.
No.
Oh,
Oh no.
oh,
No. Is it the right place?
yeah. Is it a white place? It's a white place. Huh?
You're almost finished.
This off. This one. Oh,
What is that?
a pot.
Of the
Oh,
is the
helicopter.
yeah, but which part of the helicopter? The
Tail rotor.
mm,
Tail rotor. We need to. Oh, this one's over here. Oh. Oh, I. Okay.
that one is up there. Oh, you're almost finished. Oh, yeah, the last one. Now you're done.
The potter.
Yeah.
Now let's do it again, okay?
Let's do it again. Okay.
I want you do it again, 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 do it again,
Again and again and again.
again. I don't want to do it again. I want to do it again. I don't want to do it again. I want to do it again. I don't want to do it again.
So what? What do you want to do? You
I
want to do it again or you don't want to do it again?
I want to do a lot.
You want to do it a lot?
Okay.
Many times? But let me tell you something. You can do it over and over and over and over with daddy. Because now mommy has to go
No.
hang up my laundry.
No, you want me.
I watch you. And let me tell you something. Flip it over. Let me tell you something. This is separating.
This is
Separating. When you make them apart. Make them apart like this. Okay? Make them apart, Happy. Make them apart. Let's separate them. You see? You are separating them, okay? Okay? Okay.
okay.
You are separating them. You are not putting them together. You are separating them, okay? But when you put them together into a picture, that is when you careful. You are separating them. Okay? That's what you are doing. What are you doing, Happy? What are you doing? You say?
Separating off.
No, make them apart. Make them apart. You make them apart or you are separating them?
I'm separating them.
Yeah. And now you want to do it over one more time. Again and again and again and again. You can do it with Daddy, okay?
No, I'll do it with mine.
But I have to hang up my laundry.
No.
Or you won't have anything to wear.
No. I want to.
You want to stay naked?
No.
You want to stay naked? Want to stay naked? Huh? Without clothes? Huh? Yes or no? If I don't hang up my laundry, you won't have anything to wear tomorrow. And tomorrow you will stay naked. You want that? Stay naked means you don't have anything to wear without clothes. Do you want that? And everyone will see. You want that? Do you want that?
Mommy, what do you need?
Oh, only one more time, okay? Then I go. Okay, I go hang up my laundry.
And you know what I want to? What's this? Oh, okay. I'm going to do to mash this pot next. Ready? I'm going to mash it.
Ready? Oh. You're gonna hit it.
No, I'm going to mash it.
How can you mash it? It's too hard to mash. They are wooden puzzle. You cannot mash them with your own hand.
This one over here. This one over there. This one, there must be. Oh, that must be. No. I'm going to be done. I'm going to be done.
You're gonna be done?
Yes. Oh, this one. Up there. Okay. And corners. Two corners. Yeah, three corners. One.
How many corners?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 4 corners.
4 corners.
You should find 4 corner puzzles.
Is he afraid?
Who bought you this jigsaw puzzle?
Mommy.
Is it jigsaw puzzle interesting?
Mommy.
Yes, I bought you this. But is this jigsaw puzzle interesting?
What do you say?
Is it jigsaw puzzle
Good.
good? Yes or no?
Good puzzle.
Good puzzle. That means it is interesting. You see? And you are interested in this puzzle.
This one. A book pot. Wait, what did it say?
1, 2, 1, 3, 4 bus.
And what's this?
Helicopter?
Helicopter. What's that helicopter?
What kind of helicopter is that?
Yeah.
Maybe an ambulance helicopter?
Oh, look. Oh.
No.